When you purchase a template from a Notion creator, you typically add it to your workspace by duplicating a page. And that's as simple as clicking the duplicate button at the top right of the page, but a lot of times that button's missing when users need it. So let's see what determines whether that duplicate button is visible and how to show it if it's hidden. You can access Notion pages in two ways, through app links and through web links. App links use the notion.so domain. Specifically, they're structured as notion.so/the workspace's domain, which is configured in settings, and then another / followed by ID information for the page and possibly for views. And when you visit a page from its web link using that notion.so domain, you're accessing it through the Notion app. That means you can use all the capabilities of Notion within your permission level for the page. And then published Notion pages are given a web link, and web links use the notion.site domain. They begin with the workspace domain as a subdomain, followed by notion.site, and then a / and that ID information. And anyone on the web can visit a published Notion page from its web link. It displays in a read-only format like any web page. And when you publish a page, you have the option to allow duplicate as template, and that's what enables the button. So in order to see it, you need to visit the notion.site version of the page, its web link. And if you find yourself on the notion.so version of a template or other page that you know to be duplicable, you can easily switch to its web link. Replace the .so with .site, and then find the workspace domain after the first / and replace the www with it. And then get rid of that duplicate /. So fire away with your own FAQs. Submissions through the form in Notion A to Z are prioritized, but anyone is welcome to drop a comment in YouTube. And if you're not yet part of Notion A to Z, consider joining us so you can make the most of Notion.